Welcome back, doctors. Today we are tackling the beast, chapter 1 of Robbins, the cell as a unit of health and disease. Now, a lot of students skip this chapter. You want to jump straight into inflammation and necrosis, right?
Oh yeah.
Don't do that. Virchow, the father of modern pathology, said,
All disease starts at the cellular level.
if you don't understand the normal housekeeping of the cell, you won't understand how it breaks. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to decode the 4 pillars of this chapter: known coding genome, cellular housekeeping, the Warburg effect, and signal transduction. So let's dive in. I know you are already bored by cell biology, and since chapter 1 covers a massive amount of biology and is not in your competency, so we are going to study only the basic principles and recent advances relevant to the mechanisms of disease.